Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Thank you for the join meeting. I'm Eka Octaviano. I will present blog. Yang pertama yaitu listening. Name Listen Plan Expression School SMPN Bhinneka Skill Focus yaitu listening. Target kelas 10 senior high school. Time 50 menit. Learning objective so that student how to say good and correct greetings, and addition so that you know how to respond to a good greeting. Instruction before that the teacher explain in advance the material to be discussed, namely about greeting through video or audio. After that, the teacher give question to student and student are instruction to listen to the audio to find the answer. If something goes wrong, the teacher will discuss it together. Time, waktunya 20 minutes to the teacher explain the material. 20 menit the teacher give question and listen to the audio. 10 minutes discuss the problem together. Jadi waktunya 50 menit, 20 menit guru untuk menjelaskan materinya, 20 menit lagi guru untuk memberikan pertanyaan, dan 10 menit untuk mendiskusikan masalah atau soal yang belum dimengerti. We can congratulate someone for yang pertama their birthday, to have a nice trip, have a nice trip, for win multiple competition, 5 get a good score, 6 pass the exam, 7 wedding day, and nomor 8 yaitu get gift and etc. Ini yang selanjutnya yaitu contoh dialog example. Nikki, I heard you passed the national exam yesterday. Luca, yes, thank God. Where did you heard that? Nikki, Jess told me last night. I went to congratulate you can passing to Trish. Luca, it's great you said that. Nikki, by the way, I have to buy something in the market. See you again. Look, see you soon. Terus yang selanjutnya yaitu grammar. Part of speech in a qualification of words that are categorized through their roles and function in sentence of a language. In addition, part of speech is the first step that you need to learn when learning English. Its purpose is to understand sentence from in English. Part of speak in English is divided into eight types, namely 1. Noun or noun, 2. Pronoun or pronoun, 3. Verb or verb, 4. Adjective or adjective, 5. Adverb or description, 6. Preposition or preposition, 7. Conjunction or conjunction, 8. Interjection or exclamation. Example, noun, he just bought a car. 2. Pronoun, it is on the table. 3. Verb are used to show the action of the subject, indicate event, or kirmus tense, you hit the nail on the head. 4. Adjective. Adjective are used to describe noun or pronoun. Example, Vina is a beautiful girl. Yang kelima, adverb. Adverb are used to explain verb, adjective, or other adverb. Example, they met by chance yesterday. Adverb of the time. Yang keenam yaitu preposition. A preposition is combined with a noun or pronoun from the phrase or prepositional phrase that describe a verb, noun, or adjective. Example is sleeping on the floor bed for my back. 7. Conjunction. Conjunction is used to connect two word, phrase, clause, and paragraph. Example, I like that car, but I don't have enough money to buy it. 8. Interjection atau exclamation. Interjection is a short utterance used to express emotion. Example of interjection sentence, alas he fell. Nah, ini merupakan contoh dari kuis grammar. Di sini ada contoh-contohnya. Yang selanjutnya yaitu reading. Reading narrative text. Narrative text is a type of the text that tells a series of events in a chronological or interconnected system. Narrative text is generally imaginative and not real or in the form of the imagination of the author, because it is composed or fictional here. Main purpose of narrative text is to entertain the readers or listeners of the story. Narrative text terdiri dari generic structure of narrative text. Yang pertama yaitu orientation. In Indonesian, orientation means introduction. So in the initial paragraph, narrative text usually contain the interaction of the character and setting involved in the story. Yang kedua yaitu complication. The section will begin to enter the paragraph that tells about the beginning of the problem of an event or an incident. Yang ketiga yaitu resolution. Resolution is the end of the story or the conclusion of the story. Paragraph can be a future explain of the solution. For reorientation. Generally, the sentence in this paragraph will tell the last condition of the character in the story. Or it can also contain lesson and moral messages that can be taken by the reader to be implemented in the real narrative text future. Yang pertama yaitu generally. Narrative text tell a story that has happened in the past. 2. Usually narrative texts are in the form of story that are popular among the general public, such as the story of the mouse, deer, and crocodile, the rabbit, and turtle, etc. Number 3, narrative text is often divided into several squares, both simple and complex. That is, there are several narrative texts whose stories are made continuously and continuously from one part to another. 4. One the most striking feature of narrative text is that they aim to entertain the reader. In addition, there is also another goal is to share experience with the audience. Various of narrative text or type of narrative text. Yang pertama fairy tales, yang kedua folktale atau folklore, ketiga legend, yang keempat myth, yang kelima science fiction, yang keenam romance, yang ketujuh horror story, 8 fable, 9 history, 10 slice of life, 11 personal experience. Yang selanjutnya yaitu elemen or language rules of narrative text. Number 1, simple past tense. Number 2, action verbs. Yang ketiga, saying and thinking verb. 4, conjunction of time. 5, adjective. 6, nouns. Yang selanjutnya yaitu example narrative text. True friends. Once upon a time there were two close friends who were walking through the forest together. They knew that anything dangerous can happen anytime in the forest. So they promised each other that they would always be together in any case of danger. Suddenly, they saw a large bear getting close toward them. One of them climbed a nearby tree at once, but unfortunately, the other one did not know how to climb up the tree. So, being led by his common sense, he lay down, and the crowd breathless and pretended to be dead men. The bear came near the one who lies lying on the ground. It smelled in his ears and slowly it left the place because the bear do not want to eat the creature. After that friend of the tree came down and asked his friend that was on the ground, "Friend, what did the bear whisper into your ears?" The other friends replied, "Just now the bear advised me not to believe a false friend." Terus yang berikutnya yaitu reading. Speaking. Namely, listen, plan, activity, greeting, skill focus, speaking, target 3 primary school time 55 menit. Learning objective to give action to other in addition so that students know how to greet other properly and correctly, in addition to understand the function and benefit of greeting. Instruction of living to compose sentence. Before that, the teacher explained in advance what greeting is through learning through videos. The material in the book and the introduction of new vocabulary. After that, the teacher will teach how to greeting correctly, and after the teacher will give an example or participate what kind of greeting, and after that parties is follow up when student for parties in front of the class, and if there are still things that are not enough, the teacher will help. This time 20 minutes the teacher explain the material, 20 minutes practice, and 50 minutes to do the assignment given by teacher. Jadi waktunya 20 menit untuk guru untuk mengajarkan materi, 20 menit lagi untuk praktek, dan 15 menit lagi untuk membahas example. Good morning or afternoon, evening, night. How are you? How are you doing? How do you do? Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Good to see. And long time no see. Terus yang berikutnya yaitu reading. Name, listen, plan, activity, ringing word or sentence. School SMPN 1 Bhinneka, skill focus reading, target kelas 7 SMP dan waktunya 45 menit. Learning objective to know the ability and compose good and correct English sentence. Interaction for learning to compose sentence, yaitu by giving example to student or explaining in advance about completing sentence and explaining how to compose sentence through video, question, or material that have been prepared. Then process with working on the question together. Time 15 menit, 15 minutes to explain the material, 15 minutes to discuss the problem, 10 minutes to work on 2 questions for the experiment, and 5 minutes to discuss the question. Something to pay attention to are 1. Sentence future. The type of sentence is positive, negative, or interrogative. To find the subject of the sentence. 3. Look for the verb. 4. Find object in the form of noun or noun. Pay attention to the article used to start on the noun, for example, a, an, or the. 5. Find the adverb of time. 6. Begin to arrange the word into correct and meaningful sentence. Example, father watching my smart football. Number 2, wants to Santi to buy roller. Biasanya itu listen, plan, part of speech. Name of RPP activity, understand, learn, word classification. Skill focus, classifying word and word meaning. School SMPN 1 Bhinneka, target student 12 sampai 14 years old. Material used in the classroom, whiteboard, markers, dictionary, laptop, or computer. Time 80 minutes. 1 learning objective, so that students are able or understand word and classify word based on categories and meaning, so that student know sentence patterns and aim that student can or are able to classify sentence correctly. 2. Procedure for the learning process. The teacher conveys some sentence material to students via video or through anything. Then at the end of the lesson, the teacher gives question or give question to understand. Then the teacher appoints several students to read the answer. 3. Practice. The teacher gives assignment to students, then collect them, or each student reads the answer in front of the class. Oke, di sini contoh-contoh soalnya. Okay, thank you. I think now. Thank you for the join meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.